So in this video, I would like to show you how to upgrade this 8.4-inch display made by NEC from 2 CCFL to our new LED kits that come with the L-shaped reflectors. This LED kit comes with the LED strip already mounted to the reflectors and one wire harness and one LED drivers. So this screen is called, let me show you, NL8060BC21-06. NL8060BC21-06. This one have 800 by 600 resolution, which using LVDS input. When you upgrade this LED, and also I want you to look into this inverter, because this screen originally using a 5-volt supply for the inverters. Okay, so because our driver is not going to work on 5 volts, so either you're going to find your 12 volt from your main board, or you can buy one of what we call a stepper. Really simple DC to DC stepper. You connect your 5 volt in and 12 volt output here, then connect to this inverters. Okay, just let you know before you purchase this kit, then make sure that you have 12 volt on your main board. If you have 12 volt on your main board, you don't need this one. Otherwise, you need to buy additional MS578PW. All right, so let's take a look at the screen again. Just connect it. It's a brand new lamp inside. I can show you later on when we pull out. Compare what the difference is. Okay, so I have okay, all right, oops, connect to it. All right, connect the power to our tester. This is going to be number 6. All right, okay, all right, I'm not sure you can see or not. Okay, well, let's put it this way, just like that. Okay, get rid of this line. Here we go, put it in white. Okay, I have a meter here, I want to test it. Okay, so let's do it. Put it in white. 278.6 nits. Okay, so 328.5 nits. One more time. Usually we measure 3 times. Try to get average. 356.2. Okay, so let's say 350. How's that? Okay. All right. So shut off. Just connect it to upgrade from CCFL to LED backlight. It's quite simple for this particular screen. Basically, you just hold on this plastic latch. You see this latch? You push it down, push it out. Push it down, push it out. So, as you can see, brand new lamp. Okay. Anyway, here we go. This is the light. Okay, this is the kit. Okay. So basically, you just really simple. You see this? Put it back. Let me take out this label so you can see better. Okay. So basically, just slide the same way it should be. Here you go. Easy. Or you can add a tape, or you don't need add tape. It's up to you. So it's done. You can connect to either end. Well, this is our new one, version 1, MS610UB version 1. Version 1, we don't need those this wire anymore. Okay, so basically you can connect to either one. Okay, this one I have a wire here. Let me see. Here's my wire. Yeah, this wire is connect here. See this? All right, so this end connect to here. All right, so let's see. When you see the difference, let's see what the difference is. We can make 6. Okay. Get rid of the line. I think you see the difference already. Okay, it's really bright actually. Whoa. All right, let's have fun. Let's measure it. Okay, no, there's no measurement. Okay, let's say 1602 nits. 151551. So you see the big difference. With the CCFL is about 350. With this one, it's 1500 nits. Okay, so again, when you connect it, make sure that you have 12 volts. You can connect to any 12 volt on your main board, or otherwise, if you don't, then you need to buy this converters. Thank you for watching.